Hey, today I'm going to talk about one of the options available on all of our scrubbers, which is the vac wand. Okay, today we're going to be showing you how it hooks up to an XR Rider scrubber on the back end of the machine. All right, so when you get this kit, it's going to come in a box. Once you put it together, one thing to notice is on the back end there is a stainless steel coupler. Okay, it just fits into the vac wand hose, and then you want to take the squeegee hose off of the machine. Plug the two together. This XR is equipped with a spray jet. One of the things that allows me to do is pre-treat a section of the floor. If you see the coffee stain under the table, I can hose it down. And then, once the vac wand's turned on,